tiny creature should have never survived. And you're about to see why these animals shocked the entire world. But first, if you think this kitten is adorable, like and subscribe. If you don't, that means you hate kittens. Comment a heart if you love animals. Look, even a 1,000-year-old crocodile couldn't survive what these animals did. Number 3. The frozen puppy. A stray puppy was found completely frozen, stiff as ice. But rescuers wrapped him in warm blankets for hours. Everyone thought it was too late, until the puppy blew of a warrior.